Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, thank you. I want to thank everyone for being here today. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do this quick tutorial on the Patriotic Wreath. I did get a question that was asked by a subscriber. How do you hang this? How do we set it up so that we can hang this? Now, there's multiple ways that you could do it. You could actually get the red, the white, or the blue crochet yarn, and you could chain until you have a long enough, pulley, and you could find a spot and stick it in the middle, and you could hang it that way. Or you could get some ribbon. And this is a wide ribbon, and I will put all the information about the ribbon size in the instructions below. And you could put a ribbon on it to hang it. Now I'm going to show you, and I did show a video of how I have one of mine hung. Now, if you wanted to, you could get your ribbon, and you could make it, and you could do it this way. Then you would make it long enough to hang it. The other thing that you could do, which is what I did, is I got my wreath and I pulled this apart, and I gave myself enough room to work in here. And I put my ribbon inside here, and then I put this together so you can't even see that once you put it together. And now I have my ribbon, and I make it long enough. I size it to wherever I'm going to hang it, or I size it to what a typical hang would be. And I'm saying that size it to the way you would hang it. It's most likely the way most would hang it. And then what I would do after I do that, I snip off and I cut this at an angle. They're both at an angle, you'll notice. And then I make a knot at the top. And this is a satiny ribbon, so it's going to be a little bit, slippery. So you want to tighten it and then pull it, and you will play with it. And you want to tighten it some more, and then what you could do is put another knot in it. And you have your knot. Now, I'll pull this apart again, and I'll put that knot to the back, and I'm going to turn this around, of the wreath. That knot is going to go in the back of the wreath, and I'll knot it again. It doesn't really matter. But I don't cut any of that extra, maybe a little bit at the end, but I don't cut any of that extra ribbon. Then I turn it back around, and I push this together again. And you're going to find that there's your hang. Now, if you wanted to put a bow down here like I did, you could put a bow down there. You could put anything you wanted down there, but you can do that as well. So you can put a bow up here, or you can put one up here where the hanger is and put a bow to hide the hanger, or you could put one up down here. That depends on how you like to hang it, but that's how I hang, and that's how I finish off the Patriotic Wreath with a nice hanger, and I use satin, and you could use a thinner satin ribbon as well. It's up to you, but I use the thick one. I just like the look of it, but you could use white, red, blue, whatever you want to use. And that's how I hang my wreath. And that's, if you were gonna sell it, you could hang it that way. You can make a nice ribbon, like I said, for the bottom here. You can make a nice, ribbon bow. You can make a nice ribbon bow for the top here. Depends on how you wanna fix it. You'll see the one that I have hanging in one of my locations. So this is Maria from Crochet A to Z. I hope you liked this quick and easy tutorial on how to hang the Patriotic Wreath. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Love you. Bye-bye.